So guys, over here, I'm gonna be doing a video for you guys. I was gonna play GTA, but no, because my Xbox doesn't work right now. Alright, so let's do this. Simple bark. Say hello. It's okay, bud. It's okay, don't worry.